Okay. Yeah. Okay, the last can of powder. The puzzle got us. Yeah, you do a nice squeeze. And just in case that was a fluke, let's see it again. Oh yeah, that one was messed up. The sponge just wasn't ready. I mean, it depends. Yes, it has a gritty texture, but I don't mind. It's so much recycle powder in here. I don't even think that those 2 little cans of carpet powder gonna do anything. That was just 2 little cans. Them ain't gonna do anything, I don't think. If anything, it's just gonna make it sink to the bottom. Yes, it smells so good. And it feels so good on my hands. So good. Like everybody who been following me since the beginning know I am a thick paste girly. So this is right up a bish alley. This is right up my alley. Not gonna lie, these cylinders is coming through and making it so thick. I love it. Like, I love it. No, you're not filtered. Is there something wrong, Ash? Yes, it's coming powder in here. Ajax powder, lemon comet. Because some of them cylinders I broke down was Ajax cylinders. Ooh. I have actual... I have no idea what we turning this to. We just making stuff. Just adding as of right now. See, it's not a dump or anything. Oh, thank you, Bree. Okay. Just some light. Oh, that powder feels so good. I love powder on top of paste. Okay? That combo together just feels immaculate on the hands. Like, literally. Yeah, I'm definitely, when I re-up on my powder, I'm definitely thinking about doing something like that for 10K. And I definitely will be using bleach because everybody just be scared of bleach, scared to ask me to put bleach in something. Like, I always wind up having to add bleach on my own because people be scared of bleach, you see. Or they scared to ask me for bleach because everybody be turning them down. Oh yeah, I definitely had some ice in my mouth before I started. Oh, she nice and thick, guys. Real nice and thick. Now this the texture I love. Yes, I did. Yeah, overload. I'm gonna take everything out of this. I'm gonna put this somewhere, and I'm gonna do a big overload inside of this bucket. And it's gonna be like, hopefully, I have like a lot of powders. Like, I'm gonna make sure I have like rubbing alcohol for like the rinse. Like, I just want to go all out. Like, I just feel like I just have to do it big. I just have to. If you're not following already, make sure you guys are following my Instagram and my YouTube channel, because I do upload everything first on my YouTube before I add it anywhere else. I always upload to YouTube first. So make sure you're the first one to see a video by heading to YouTube. And if you're not already, subscribe to my main TikTok, because I just ordered a vanity not too long ago. And it's supposed to come tomorrow. Yes, this is so good. So I will be putting that up tomorrow and putting up a video of me trying to put it together without no man help. Hey, I'm